Hello everyone and welcome to On Target Online SEAG practice. I just wanted to talk you through how to use our SEAG practice quizzes. So this is the home page, and as you can see we have a 25% off introductory offer until the end of January. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for a license so you can use the quizzes. So if you click the sign up button, and then you need to choose your subscription. So there's two choices. If your child is sitting the test in 2025, so they're in P6 at the moment, then choose the blue one. And if your child is sitting the test in 2026, so they're in P5 at the moment, choose the orange option. I'm just going to go back to the home page and take a look at the quizzes. So if I scroll down the home page, you can see that you can get access to the quizzes here. So our quizzes are split into three levels: level 1, level 2 and level 3. And the whole idea of the levels is that you introduce your child gradually to the SEAG curriculum. The levels also tie in with our levelled practice papers, which are also level 1, 2 and 3. So you could be starting level 1 at the moment in after Christmas in P6. You could start at the beginning of P6 if you want and just break them in gently. And then you progress on to level 2 and level 3. So let's have a look at level 1 maths. So level 1 is really our introductory level, and it's where the most content is in our quizzes. So there's a lot of content in level 1. It's really the foundation of the SEAG curriculum. So let's have a look at some quizzes. Let's click on function machines. So there's 3 quizzes within the function machines in level 1 maths. Find the output, find the input, and mixed function machine quizzes. So let's have a look at find the output. All right, so what number will come out of the function machine when the rule is applied? So if your child's not sure what to do with function machines, click the hint button. You can see 26 divided by 2 equals 13, and then we're going to add on 3. So let's see, 26 divided by 2 is 13, add on 3 is 16. Check your answer. Click next. What number will come out of the function machine when the rule is applied? So 25 times 4, take away 5. So let's click a random answer and click check. So you can see that when you click on a wrong answer, it does tell you exactly what you need to do. So 25 times 4 equals 100. 100, take away 5 is 95. Let's have a look at another quiz. I'm going to go back to the home page again. Let's have a look at level 3 English. So level 3 is the hardest of all our levels, and really your child should probably be tackling level 3 by the end of P6 and into P7. So we'll take a look at punctuation. And there's quite a lot of quizzes in punctuation in level 3. We've got brackets, hyphens, semicolons and colons. These are hard topics, so it's really good that we have these quizzes to practice them on. So we'll start quiz for semicolons. So we can click on the hint. A semicolon is used to connect two independent clauses that are closely related in thought. My older brother is in the army. He is often away from home for long periods of time. So you can see that the answer is B. I'm going to click check. Let's go on to the next one. I have a football match this afternoon. I hope we don't lose again. Let's click on the wrong answer this time. Let's say that there's no mistake. N for no mistake. Check. So you can see it brings up the question again and puts in the semicolon. Do one more. It was snowing outside. I needed to wear my wellies to school today. The answer is B. Okay, let's have a look at some more of the English. I'm going to have a look at comprehension this time. So each level of English, level 1, 2 and 3, has 10 comprehensions. So you've got 30 comprehensions in total. I'm well aware that sometimes it's difficult to do a comprehension looking at a screen. So I have provided you with a download button. If you want, you can press that. It'll bring up a printable form of the comprehensions. You can print them out and then you can answer the quiz questions online. So if you scroll down, level 3 is the hardest of our comprehension levels. It contains fiction, non-fiction and poetry. So we've got comprehension 3 is a poem, The Land of the Storybooks. So we'll have a look at questions. What does the child do at night? Goes to bed early and sleeps soundly. Goes behind the sofa and imagines scenes from books. That's the correct answer. Watches television until late at night, etc. Check. The other thing about our quizzes is there's a mixture of multiple choice and free form answers, just like in the SEAG test. So usually, depending on the quiz, the first 6 questions are multiple choice and the last 4 you are typing in your answer, just like your child would write the answer in for some of the questions in the SEAG test. Which of the following best describes the relationship between parents and the child? So this is an inference question, and your child really needs to practice these because there's a lot of inference questions in the SEAG test. They are tricky, but practice makes perfect. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the parents and the child? So the answer to this one is the child ignores the parents and chooses to play by themselves. Let's choose the wrong answer. And you can see it tells you you're incorrect and highlights the one that is correct. So let's go back again. And we're going to go back to the home page and do a little bit more maths. Level 2 maths. Let's choose a topic. This time I think we will choose angles. Okay, so there's quite a few quizzes in angles, angle types, angle facts 1, angle facts 2, and angles in a triangle. Let's have a look at angles in a triangle first. So what's the value of x? So if your child's not sure, click the hint. The angles in the triangle add up to 180. So we're adding together 28 and 51 and taking away the answer from 180. Let's just choose a random answer. So the answer was 101, and it tells you exactly how to get that answer. Each angle in an equilateral triangle is. So your child needs to know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180, and an equilateral triangle has 3 equal angles. So the answer to that one is 60. And check. Okay, we can just scroll up and have a quick look at some of the other ones. We'll look at angle facts 2. Okay, so slightly more complicated. What is the value of angle x? So you need to know that a right angle is 90 degrees, and then you're taking away 52 from 90 degrees. Let's just click, and that's the correct answer, 38. Okay, you need to know this time that a straight angle is 180 degrees, so 180 take away 37. Let's click on an answer. So we got that one wrong. Straight angle equals 180. 180 take away 37 is 143. All right, let's go back to the home screen, and I'll just show you one last thing. So there's a little video there, just talks you through all the elements of our quizzes. Then you have access to your quizzes, which you can get whenever you've logged on. And then there's a couple of free quizzes at the bottom if you want to just try before you buy. So there's a mixed maths quiz and a mixed English quiz, which just gives you some idea of the layout of the quizzes and exactly how they're going to look on whatever screen you're using. So you can use this on a tablet, an iPad or an Android tablet, a phone, again, iPhone or Android, or you can use it on a laptop or a PC. It does not matter which device you're using. All you have to do is sign up and log in on the device, and the quizzes will work. So I hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me on Facebook or Instagram, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. Thank you very much for listening.